today I'm gonna talk about the Feyachi FL11. I buy that guy and I really like it. So if you search a good flashlight for your gun and all that stuff, that's a pretty good one because it comes with a lot of accessories. First of all, that's the flashlight. Really nice. It got 1200 lumens, so that's pretty good. It got the IP65 water resistance. The flashlight only weighs 116 grams, and it's all made of 6061T aluminium, so which is pretty good. So yeah, that's the flashlight, and that's the mount for it. It comes with the flashlight, and you also have a pressure switch for it, and that one is just like momentary on, and this is on off switch. So comes with an Allen key, and comes with two battery. Those are 18650, 2200, 3.7, basic stuff, but those are real battery. You feel the weight and everything, and it comes also a charger. Can only charge one at a time though, but that's all good. And you have a power cord for the charger. And it's pretty bright. You have like the big beam, and you have a small focus on it. So some flashlight you can adjust the focus and all that, but we already got a nice focus on it. I think those are 3 T6 or X6. I can check that out. I'm gonna check that out real quick. So those are 3 XPL V6. So 3 XPL V6. Yeah. So yeah, it comes with 2 batteries, so that's pretty good. It lasts for a longer time. So I'm gonna switch to the remote switch. And as you can see, you get an O-ring on it. So, and the battery are not full charge. I just charge them quick for the video. Yeah, that's the flashlight, and like I said, this when you press on it, it's and this is on a switch. So if you want to have it on for a long time, you can just press that, or just to peek. That's all good. So that's what I'm using if I need a flashlight on my gun. It also comes with a small strap to hold it down. But I bought the remote switch mounting plate, and it's 4mm, but it also fits into key mud. So, and you have one for Picatinny. So all that comes with the other kit. I'm gonna do a separate video on it, but that was just like review and unboxing and all that stuff. But yeah, that guy is it binds you. It's not like your typical flashlight that's it's 2000 lumens, you know, and you have barely, you know, 400 whatever. This is 1200, and you know it's 1200. You know. It blinds you when you see, you know, like a purple spot for like 30 minutes after that. So yeah, that's a really good flashlight to blind up a lint. They are not that expensive. They are around 30 bucks. All that kit is around 35 bucks, something like that. I should check that out, but I think I paid like 30 bucks for all that. And the other mounting kit, I think it was like 15 bucks or 15-20 bucks. So you know, it's really not that bad. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the AIRSOFTEK, and I'll catch you in the next one.